Now, I spent some time going over this new firm that um, isn't even a prop firm. It is actually, why did the box? Oh, I know why. It's actually a hedge fund. So, um, but after comparing it to prop firms, it really exposes the prop firm lie. It's like a slap in the face. Because I had been strongly against prop firms for a number of years. Then I started trading with FXify, and um, I had a great setup. Then I had put a trade up too high. What do you call it? Too high of a lot size, and that caused me to breach on phase two. And I was thinking about it, I said, oh, my mistake. But I didn't realize that they're actively pushing you to use higher leverage, which increases your chances of breaching the rules. So I started working with um, a company that is a hedge fund where there's no rules. I mean, you can make 2% a month and still make money. Still get allocation. So um, I went ahead, started it. I'll do a trade starting around Sunday evening. Um, but right here is what they give you. So I started with trading balance 100,000, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hedge it, use hedging. My hedging to make about 5%, 8% per month, something like that. A good month like 10, maybe more, but actually what they're really looking for is consistency. They're not looking for, oh, you got to hit this target. If you don't hit that target, then this, and they have all these rules. There are no rules, no rules. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Um, I don't know if I'm going to continue posting on here or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Um, we will see. I'm actually going to open up. I have this one, and I'm going to do another one. Uh, I have this like for hedging. Then I'm gonna do another one that's just gonna follow my RSAI strategy. Um, I'm thinking, I think, yeah, because those trades are just gonna be more like kind of position trades. Um, they'll have like bigger returns. They're just gonna be different than the hedging trades. 'Cause I don't have to when it comes to using the RSAI blueprint strategy. That's a little more analysis. You're trying to basically uh, time and direction. You're trying to kind of figure out the zone and place it may be in a certain amount of time. Very tricky. It's like hitting a moving target. Um, but that is done well. I mean, I've taken this account. What was that? I've taken this one from 100,000 to 2.8 million. That took me, it took 2 years, I think, to get from 100,000 to, and then I stopped trading it for a while. But I always kept this, no, I kept the figures like I had switched and, it's a paper trading account and I had switched it and all this stuff. But I keep faithful to my number because I want to know over time what I'm actually doing. Um, like when I get pullback or I got drawdown, whatever you say, I want to know how they go. Now, I have not had this documented, but with Darwin X, I'm sorry, I'm about to say FX, with Darwin X, Darwin X, Darwin X, with Darwin X, they will have, be a third party that's going to package it into an index. So people don't see like your trades. Like it's not like they don't see and they can't like jump ahead of you, or they can't trade with you, and say, oh, well, he's doing this. Now let me, and they can, and then sell your signals or something. They can't do that because there's a barrier in which all of your, hold on, let me see if I can show you. All of your trades and stuff are um, put into the thing, and then they have like a kind of a screener that does like a risk thing, and it's converts it, and so the investor sees something. He sees something different. Now, this was just newly, there's no information here. It takes about 15 days of trading to develop my index. My index is SGQ. That's my ticker for the index. That's what the customer sees, and then the investor sees, and you get allocation. So you have to hit a certain rating. So look it up, watch the videos on it. Not going through the whole explanation because it's already on YouTube, but check it out. Um, Definitely check it out. I'm not a partner with them. Like I don't get paid if you join them or whatnot. Um, Maybe one day I'll be at a partner where I can promote it and then get paid for it. Probably was, you know, I just want to share it. I'm not really worried about that. Um, so I'm not going like deep into it and doing a whole format and interviewing them. When you're doing more of that work, then yeah, you should be paid for that. But I'm just making a quick video to kind of share it with you. Um, you can go check it out. Here's the website. And yeah, I think it's great. I mean, I think this thing spells the bells for prop firms. The prop firms are they're such scams. They're such, I mean, they're lying. Like when you see how this all breaks down, uh, when you see basically how all of this uh, works, then you'll look back at the prop firm and you'll say, wait a minute, what Darwin's doing, that makes sense. I mean, that's how it should work. But the prop firms don't, it's not even real. Like it can't be real. So it really exposes it. Like it's easier to see a color when you contrast it against something else. Like it's easier to see something stand out with color like it really is when you contrast it, rather than something when you're comparing prop firm to prop firm. It's like trying to tell you, okay, is this pink or red, and put other pink and reds up. Like you're like, okay, well, you have to have something contrasting in order to see something. Like if my computer screen was the exact same shape and color of the room, I wouldn't see the computer screen. So it has to be something different than what's behind it in order for you to see it. So what I suggest you do is go to their, I think if I can show you, hold on, let me see. So go to their page, check it out. Here it is, Darwin X Zero. Check it out. And they basically can explain a lot of it to you. There are no rules like you gotta pass a challenge or something. No, it's not that. If you're profitable trader. That's it. Don't worry about anything else. Oh, and there is a payment. You pay every month, $38. So it's like $40. I mean, 38, 40, depending on exchange rate or where you are, but 40 US dollars is what it. No, I had a discount. The first one was $34, but and then you can use your commissions to pay the monthly fee. But I mean, that's nothing. I mean, that's nothing. It's like two premium Netflix subscription or whatever. So um, yeah, and that's that. I wanted to share with you um what I'm doing next, because I was gonna do prop firm this and this and that. You know what? I'm done. Done with prop firms. It is a wrap. After researching everything on this, yeah, it's It's the curtain. It's the curtains, Muggsy. The curtains. It's man. It's a wrap for prop firms, man. They're total scams, man. They really are. It was like, hold on, I know my, I know my strategy is legit. It's profitable. My strategy is banging. And I was like wondering why. It's because of their system doesn't work. It's bullshit. So check it out. Yeah. All right. See you in the next one. Peace.